Show Mommy what you want.
Green truck. Mommy, you want that one, Mommy?
Okay, I
Ask Santa Claus green truck.
okay. I will.
No.
No, okay, I won't do it anymore. I'm gonna take a picture of Mommy.
I want this one.
Which one, Ryan?
That one.
Okay. We'll ask Santa Claus, okay?
Green truck flying.
All right.
No.
Baby, you have to, I won't get you in the shop, but you have to look like you're interested.
Let me see, which one do you want? Which one? Show Mommy.
No, that one.
No, that one? Which one do you want?
We don't know one at home. No.
Show Mommy which one you want.
No.
Show Mommy which test truck.
Only one that's struck. Mom, that one. Only one that's struck. Mommy, only two has struck. Mommy, only two has struck.
Okay.
No, that one.
Okay, not that one. Which one, Ryan? Which one? Show Mommy. We'll ask Santa Claus. We'll write a letter to Santa.
Only three has struck.
3 S trucks?
Only 4 has struck. 4 has struck. Mommy, only
Okay.
5 has struck. Only 5 has struck.
Let me see. I want to see the Hess truck.
Mommy, I want that one. I want to get that, Daddy.
Yes?
I want to get that.
You want to get the one with the helicopter?
Get one in the helicopter. I want to get one S car and an S truck. That one. Only 6 has struck. Only 7 has struck.
Yeah?
Only 8 has struck.
What, are you counting the Hess trucks?
Only 8 has struck.
What does he say?
He's just counting them.
Only 9 has.
But he only counts, I think he's counting the one he wants.
Oh, it's helicopter. It's helicopter.
You want, let me see the helicopter that you want.
That one.
But that's not a helicopter, that's an airplane. It's an airplane on
Only 10 has struck.
number 10 Hess truck. Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Green, white motorcycle. I want to get an S fire truck. S fire car.
A Hess fire truck and a Hess fire car.
I want to get that, Daddy.
Yes. Tell Daddy.
I want to get that S tractor and the S truck.
Okay. We gotta ask Santa Claus, and I think he'll bring you one Hess truck, maybe just one. Do you love Hess trucks, Ryan? I love Hess trucks.
I want that one, Daddy.
Okay. Any more, Ryan? Is that it?
S truck and S plane.
You like the Hess fire truck and the Hess fire car? The red car. Is it their phone upstairs?
My baby?
No, I hear a phone.
It's upstairs, yeah.
Christ. I think we need some insulation. Is that it? Are you done? Ryan? Is that it? Say something. I love you.